darling. I like that. Well, this is George's design. He's my favorite as well. Now, his beard is a little on the expensive side, but he is worth. You want him? Good. Good. This will be a wedding to rival you're on the line and recording with his design. You know what you said last time. This is our family, and it'll be good for your son grandkids. I don't want to see those little. You will not talk about my children that way. I swear, Vanessa. All the opportunities we afforded you, you have managed to throw every one of them